let's talk stop losses and take profits. Now, while these aren't necessarily things that you need to worry about when you're using bots, because the bots take care of this. Now, my bots are not going to show you or the market the stop loss or take profit levels. Now, early on I had bots that did. And I feel that I was stop hunted. And stop hunted is a controversial term. That's when people think that the markets are looking for stop loss levels. So a stop loss is basically if I place an order here, I'm willing to take a profit when I make $1, and that would be my take profit at $1, and my stop loss would be $1. So if I go $1 into losses, then it closes my order at a loss and I'm out. If I take profit, I make my dollar and I'm out. Okay, so that's basically what a take profit and a stop loss are. Now, early on, my bots would kind of show that to the market. So you potentially could see that in your MetaTrader account that you were copying my bot signals from, where you could see like, oh, the bot stop losses are here and there. So when you're showing that, my thoughts, and again, it's controversial and a lot of people won't agree with me, is that the markets could see this. And they potentially can. In theory, they absolutely can. If I'm showing this to the markets, they will know. And at Pacific Standard Time, every day around 2 o'clock, the markets close. And you can see up to a 10 pip spread. And there are people I know, and I'm sure if you look it up, there are other people out there on Discords and Reddits that will tell you they've been stopped out at 2 o'clock Pacific Standard Time because you could be, 6 pips away and the market closes and boom, the spread just goes like this. And we'll talk about spread in the next lesson. So the spread, gets big and boom, you get stopped out. Or let's just say the market, and this could happen, and I believe this probably does happen. Let's say the market says, hey, across all these orders and accounts, and I don't know if this comes from a broker side or an institution side above the broker, but let's just say there's a level of volume of money between this range where everybody's got stop losses, and the price is right here. Let's just get this weird candle to go bing, bing, and everybody gets stopped out and everybody loses, right? I believe that happens. You could call me a conspiracy theorist or whatever. Like I said, it's controversial. I've had it happen to my other bots, and I took big losses and other people took losses, and I said no more. My bots now, they store this information where it can't be seen unless it's within the bot's code. And since then, I have never taken that kind of loss. So there's something to be said for that. So stop losses, take profits, not something you need to worry about, but it is a term that you're going to hear, so you should kind of understand what it is.